Hello, my name is John Cox and welcome to Shayjon.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy, spicy nut butter chicken salad. The nut butter consists of only 3 ingredients: rice wine vinegar. I use 3 tablespoons. Next is 4 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. And the third ingredient is nut butter. I'm using almond butter, but you could use peanut butter or cashew butter or whatever you like. And I'm using 4 tablespoons. Then all you do is mix the 3 ingredients together, set aside. Next, I'm going to shred some chicken. This is chicken I got from a rotisserie. You could use fried chicken, whatever you have. After I shred the chicken, I want to make sure that it's chopped very fine. Since this is going to be a chicken salad, we want it to be nice and fluffy. I'm adding about a tablespoon of raisins. You could also add celery if you wanted, a little salt and pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of the nut butter that we made previously and mix well with the chicken. Once you have the chicken mixed thoroughly, you can set it aside in the refrigerator while you make the salad dressing. The salad dressing consists of 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of the nut butter, the almond nut butter that we made, and a tablespoon of the rice wine vinegar. Stir that together, and that's the dressing. Now I've taken some mixed greens and I am drizzling the almond nut butter dressing, and just toss that and add a couple of scoops of your chicken salad, and then I toasted some toast points. Now it's time to give it a taste. You might notice that I also sprinkled a few slivered almonds on top. Absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As always, remember to savor the flavor, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, this is John Cox. Goodbye.